I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file type and selecting an editor that supports layers. This preserves the original. Open the image and immediately duplicate the background layer so you can undo changes. Next, zoom to at least 100% on the emoji sticker to see edges clearly and choose a selection tool, lasso or pen for precision. Once selected, refine the marquee by feathering 0.52px if edges are soft. This gets you ready to remove the sticker without destroying nearby pixels. You now remove the sticker using content-aware tools to reconstruct missing pixels. This learns surrounding texture and color so seams disappear. If the background has patterns or gradients, switch to Clone Stamp and sample a clean area with Alt// option, then paint with low opacity for gradual blending. Once done, use the healing brush to smooth micro seams and adjust levels or color balance to match tones. Make sure to work in small patches and constantly toggle the duplicate layer on / off to You finish by matching texture and sharpness. Add a tiny amount of noise or a 1-pixel blur to the repaired area so it matches camera grain. Then apply selective sharpening only where detail belongs. Over-sharpening will reveal edits. Once the area looks consistent, flatten a copy for export but keep the layered master in case you need revisions. If something looks off, check edges and redo the clone/heal step. Resample source areas closer to the edit to fix mismatched texture or color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.